Hello everyone, I'm Trang. So today I'm showing you how I make my favorite dish, spicy sauce noodle. Here's the ingredient: 1 egg, 1 instant noodle, 1 slice of cheese, a pinch of pepper, kimchi, 1 teaspoon of gochujang chili sauce, beef, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, butter, some milk, and cooking oil. First, heat the frying pan over a high heat and add cooking oil. Crack an egg into the pan. Next, add some pepper on top. Put the omelette on a plate, leave it aside. Clean the pan. Boil the instant noodle in 5 cups of water. When finished, take the noodle out into another plate. Boil the beef. Till the beef is cooked, put the beef in a noodle plate. Next, pour away the water. Add 1 tablespoon of butter, gochujang chili sauce, a pinch of pepper, soy sauce, sugar, milk, honey. Mix up well and heat up in a low-high heat till the sauce thickens. Then pour the sauce in a noodle. Put kimchi, cheese, and egg in as a topping. Finally, mix up and enjoy.